asymmetric warfare. That is, you take covert action, make covert action as an instrument of state policy. How do we go about it? So we have to find a solution which is long-term, which is sustainable, which is affordable. Since wars have become ineffective instruments, we use sometimes the state and the non-state actors to achieve the country's strategic or political objectives. Terrorism is one type of a fight in which the experience has shown that there is no guarantee that the nations with higher military power, technological power, economic power will necessarily win. Now that ideological objective or a political objective can be achieved through many ways. When you decide to achieve it by using terror, now terror is not used against the people who are killed. They are not the targets of terrorism. It is not the 50 people killed who are the targets of terrorists. It is 50,000 who see them killed and get terrorized. Pakistan is an enemy. How do we tackle Pakistan? I talked about their having the nuclear threshold, having the strategic weapon systems, missiles, strategic partnership with China. India is having a long border with China and Pakistan. How do we tackle it? Now, we start working on the vulnerabilities of Pakistan. It can be economic, it can be internal security, it can be political, it can be their isolation internationally, it can be anything. It can be defeating their policies in Afghanistan, making it difficult for them to manage internal political balance or internal security. I'm not going into those details. Now, funding are denied to the terrorists by countering it with the funds. More than 1.5 times of the funds available to them. So if they have got a budget of 1,200 crores, we can match it with 1,800 crores. They are all on our side. Now, at least they won't do. They are mercenaries. You think they are the great fighters? What are they fighting for?
India, for some time, has always used Afghanistan as a second front, and India has, for over the years, financed problems for Pakistan on that side of the border.